Oh, you look beautiful.
You gonna make me cry.
I get a cry right now.
Dear Buddy, I swear that I swear, this note to you is how I have felt from the day that we went wheeling for 14 hours. I will always give you my best, even on my worst days. I will always continue to grow with you and never away from you. No one will ever be my buddy but Buddy. Little inside joke for y'all. I will never stop being your best friend, lover, confidant, and lifelong companion. I will always strive to be a godly husband and spiritual leader to you and our children. Love, Buddy.
Buddy. I never thought I would meet a man who was absolutely perfect for me until I met Kinnon with Country Boy tattooed all across his back. I just knew you were the one for me. You quickly became my best friend, and when I fell in love with you, it wasn't even all that scary. You have been here for me like no one else ever has. I promise to love you every day of the rest of our lives, even when I do not like you all that much. I promise to always be there for you when you need me. I promise to be the best mother and wife because that is what you deserve. I love you, Buddy. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with the most amazing man by my side. I truly am the lucky one. I love Buddy.
I love Buddy.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Oh, yay.
You've been waiting. You didn't even kiss me!
I wanted a hug first.
Oh, okay.
I feel these pages turning. Yesterday is burning. Now's the time for learning. The future has come. I feel the times are changing. I see the light escaping. A season for connecting. Tomorrow has dawned. Dreaming with a vision. Seeing new horizons. I just gotta feel it. Freedom has come. Hearing sound and color. These days are getting better. Yesterday is over. And the future has come. Are you ready for a new wave coming? I'll start the fire, gonna take it higher. I've been ready for a new day coming. The sun's getting brighter. Right now, it's a golden age. Oh, it's a golden age. Yeah, I believe it's a golden age. The energy's awakened. There's no time for waiting. The sorrows I ain't chasing, gonna overcome. The rhythm is a healing, so I'll stay here in the feeling. So illuminating, like a rising sun. Breathing in the thunder, my head to my soul. It's never going under, let my troubles go. These days are getting better, the moment's looking brighter. Yesterday is over, and the future has come. Are you ready?